Hello everybody, welcome to the Your Turn to Play, which is found on page 212. I know it probably took you a long time to do this Your Turn to Play, especially if you did what you were supposed to do, which was do all the large proofs, but our answer video here will actually be quite short because for question number 1, this is proving the mid-segment theorem, and this has its own video, and so does question number 3, which is proving the converse of the mid-segment theorem. So the only thing that we really have to do is question number 2. So let's get to it. So question number 2 is a diagram like this. And we know that this is 64 feet, and this is 64 feet, and we know that this is 40 feet, and we know that this is 40 feet, and we know that this is 28 feet. And the question is, well, what is x? They actually use a question mark, but I prefer to use x. And so in order to do this, you would have to think about what your new theorems say. And if I turn it like this, it might be easier to see. We could see that this line here is actually a mid-segment. It cuts this segment in half into 40 feet increments, and it cuts this segment in half in 64-foot increments. What we know from our mid-segment theorem is that this line is parallel to this line. I know it totally doesn't look like that because I'm such a horrible drawer, but they are parallel to each other. And we also know that this distance is half of this distance. So if I take 28 and I multiply by 2, I get 56, and that is the length of this side, 56 feet. That's it. That's all you have to do for that particular one. And again, I encourage you to try to do these proofs now on your own, and then you can check them with these separate videos.